Hey, this is Clint Arthur, and I'm making this Clint Arthur review of the JW Marriott Bogota suite number 1016. This is an executive suite. Thank God with a powder room. Let's see. There you go. Love powder rooms. You know I love powder rooms. Lovely, very large living area, dining area. Of course, gorgeous blonde wife, ever present but not included. Okay, not included with the room ever, but ever present. Nice coffee station here. There's a refrigerator there with room to put stuff in it. The views are lacking in this suite. I will say that the views are definitely lacking, but this is a nice living room and a nice work area. Very nice work area. Nice little couch. And then we go into the bedroom area. King bed. Nice TV. We've watched a couple movies on here already. Little makeup station. I'll tell you what, these curtains are really smart. See the curtain rod? They overlap so that at night, when you close the curtains, you get total darkness, which is very, very nice. This has the most view, although not a great view. Nice clock radio with plugs, and then over there's more plugs, so that's very nice. Large closet, and then the bathroom is very nice. I will say the bathroom is very nice. Bathtub, double vanity, shower. Large, nice soaps. And then I do like this there you go, water closet area. Very lovely. Hey, this is a lovely upgrade from the JW Marriott Bogota. We're going to be doing a lot of JW Marriotts on this South America tour. And if you're a person who is an author, a speaker, coach, consultant, advisor, expert of any kind, and you would like to get upgraded to suites like this, then you need to be a celebrity entrepreneur. So check it out. Check out clintarthur.tv, and click the button that says, yes, Clint, make me a celebrity entrepreneur, and I can work my magic and help you to get room upgrades like this because you're a celebrity. I will teach you the secrets. Nice little piece of artwork made out of folded paper. It's going to wrap it up from the JW Marriott in Bogota, Colombia. Lovely place. Oh, and the breakfast is very lovely here. If you're a platinum or titanium member of Marriott Bonvoy, lovely breakfast. And we're enjoying the coffee.